What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing a birthday unboxing. So I'm going to show you guys my gifts. I got a lot right here, but we're going to try to get through it as quick as possible. Oh my god, we hate long videos, but let's go. First gift, the YSL perfume gift set. Smells so good. I've been eyeballing this for a while now. Somebody very special to me got it for my birthday. Okay. So this is what the set look like. I'm just gonna go fast. We ain't gonna talk that much, but this is the set. Then my daughter got me a card. And this gift right here. So, to my mom, to my mother, with love, wishing you all the things that bring beauty into the world and joy into your heart. Wishing you all the things that make you feel so very loved on your birthday, and always happy birthday. So my daughter got me that. And then here, let's see. Oh my god, everybody loves pink. Barbie bitch. This coat, ain't it cute? So soft. I feel soft. Ain't this pretty? This gift is from my mom and stepdad, and they gifted me with $100. Then oh, I forgot, this gift go with the perfume, so I was gifted this together. So this some Finish Line. Okay, we got some Nikes. Let's see. Oh, we got some Air Max Vapor Plus. These bitches cold. These slapping. Them cute, them cute. What next is this one for my daughter too, so bear with me. Okay, so we got some fluffy, oh my god, house shoes. This is cute. These are so me. Bam. Kick down your door and smack your chick.
Kick down your doors and smack your chick.
You feel comfortable? Okay, so the rest of this stuff is, I know what it is because I gifted myself with this stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So this one, I got this from Bloomingdale's, the little brown bag. Then I got the matching cosmetic bag. So that's that. Got a whole bunch of lotion, so we not gonna really get into it like that. Twisted Peppermint, Winter Candy Apple. This is Champagne Toast, which is one of my favorites. So I got two of these. Sweet Pea, Snowy Peach Berry, and then Winter Berry Wonder. So this is also from myself. So yes, I gotta get a pair every freaking year. I love them. Ugg boots. And this in the color pink. Y'all know I love pink. I'm so girly. So I got some of these. Victoria's Secret. Now, I'm wearing one of the bras now. I got like 2 bras, but you know, it's just a plain black bra. Y'all know what they look like. I got some panties. sexy panties. So we're gonna go through them right quick. These, love this print. You gotta have your see-through panties, hunty. Polka dot, those are cute. We got a little leopard round, you know, for the naughty girls. We got some seamless red panties, pink ones with hearts. Then I love this color, if you can see this pastel color. It's cute. We got X and O's. Then we got a nice soft Victoria's Secret robe. Can y'all see? Hope the lighting picking up. Got this red bra in love pink. This is like the only thing in the bra I'm wearing I got from Pink. My friend, she sent me these cute little socks. So I got some socks. Here is another gift that I ordered that I was supposed to wear to my birthday dinner that got canceled. But I ordered this money bag. I love these bags. Anything that bling. It's cute, and it does come with the crossbody straps. So I got that. Louis Vuitton. Ah! So the box, y'all already know the card. That's how you know it's real. Period. So, can y'all guess what I got? Drum roll. The Damier Ebene Elma BB. Look at it. Look at her. She's beautiful. Are you pretty? And then get myself something from Gucci. So, happy 35th birthday. Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Message to myself. So, little background on this. I ordered this a month ago, month and a half. It was on back order. Took a long time to come, and they just had a price increase, so I'm glad I got it when I got it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and then we'll get into the price. I think I paid, I got them Gucci socks, got them pink Gucci socks. I paid 160, I don't remember. I'll put the price over here, 160 something. I think they had a $30 increase, so now they're like $180, which is, it's already a lot for the socks. That's steep, but it is what it is. It's my birthday. Gucci card. So yeah, they did have a price increase, but and they are on back order right now. But these are so pretty. I really wanted the brown and the tan ones, but they were sold out. Then they restocked them after I received this, so I just didn't want to go through the hassle of the exchange and all that, so I'm just gonna keep these. Hey, I want to show y'all this coat that I gifted myself with. Also, this coat is from Amazon. Super cute and cozy and comfortable. Came with a little hood. So that's the birthday drip. That's it. Wait, let me show y'all my birthday bottle I made, because I said I was gonna show y'all. This is my birthday bottle. So thank you for watching my little birthday unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all guys in my next video.